Hi, and welcome to the coffee spill, which from now on will be the any day coffee spill because I'm not great at doing things on a Monday. This is the tale of the Pigdragon and the Mermonk. Legend has it, maybe in the distant past or way into the future, when the world has turned again, that there lived such things as Pigdragons. These creatures were strong and courageous, earthy beings, and they were born fierce protectors. They roamed the earth, for they were born from the depths of the earth and can withstand great heat and long days of scarcity, not needing anyone or anything. The Mermonk was created from air and the cloudy sky. They were born pure, connected solely to the divine. As they have no desires and an open, compassionate heart, they were not governed by any one religion or faith, but connected to all things. Their openness and gentle wonder made them vulnerable, as their souls are filled with all universal knowing. But they did not need anyone or anything. So the lights of all the universe combined their wisdom and decided that the two creatures would become earthly guardians, peaceful mascots for all the world, that the two beings that did not need anything would become one. This would be a purely symbiotic relationship, a kind, gentle, harmonious love only connected by the joy for each other. The Mermonks, who were always given food by those that sought the wisdom it held, would provide food for the Pigdragon, and the Pigdragon, in turn, would protect the Mermonk, and in this way they would care for each other. And that is how they lived, one protecting the other, making the world a more beautiful place for the unconditional love that they gave to each other and all the creatures in the world that they were set to care for. Until the time would come, as all time does, to pass their knowing on to the next generation, and the two that were one would part, letting the air and the earth release them with the dawning of the day. Many generations of Pigdragons and Mermonks roamed the earth from that time on, and all was well, until humankind began to grow weary and disillusioned as all humans do, and began to turn from the gentle spirits that guided them for so long and instead to seek their own path. And from that moment on, the world would divide to create light and dark, good and evil, and mankind split into two, beginning to believe we could only be one way or another. No longer the whole beings we once accepted, we built new rules and books to house them in. We felt suffering because we realised the divide that we created within the world was now the divide we felt within ourselves. But some things that are done cannot be undone, and the lights of all the universe, upon seeing what humankind had chosen as their destiny, released the two caring guardians from the earthly duty, and allowed humankind to find their own way back to wholeness, through the dark and the light, and all the shades between, to find the empathetic, compassionate beings we were all born to be. And the Mermonk and the Pigdragon faded into what was, connected by the joy for each other. Ta-da!